Hello, I'm Catherine Leggett and I'm the Director of Autentic Consulting and Training Limited, or just Autentic. I started this organisation to try and help address the imbalances that autistic people face in society compared to non-autistic people. My one autism affirming tip for everybody here is to not make assumptions about how someone's feeling or thinking, their motivations and intentions, based on how they look or how they sound. Autistic people often express themselves in very different ways than non-autistic people and are often really misunderstood. If you follow this autism affirming tip today, you can make a really big difference. Thank you.